ain't selling my soul.
Damn, a nigga tired and rough. Niggas is out here, bro. Oh. Bye. Alright, bro, you know the vibe. Was giving y'all to go GOATEDREE. You know, back at it with the vlog, you dig what I'm saying? About to go turn up at the lake, you dig? You already know how that goes, bro, so shit, nigga. What's good, you bitch ass nigga?
Oh, bitch.
Watch out, bro. Or I'm gonna have to really fuck you up. Bitch or what?
Nah.
We in this bitch or what?
Are you, is that your vlog?
Yes, my vlog.
What's up? What's cracking lacking?
Yeah, nigga. You
Add
already
me
know.
on Snapchat, Nathan Bonilla.
Fuck no.
13.
Fuck no. Fuck no. Don't ever shout yourself out
Why
on my
you
shit,
fucking
nigga.
did?
Nah, fuck you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show the view, bro. This shit. Hold up. How you finna post it if you ain't got no service, bro?
Cause I'm supposed to. Cause I'm supposed to right here. When I can say
Tyree! Oh shit. Tyrone! Fuck, such a buddy. Hurry the fuck up! Where you at? You fucking. You're about to hit your ass, bro. It's gonna hurt. This? You good? Tyree, I miss you. Miss you.
Credits to Nathan Bonilla.
Nigga, all these fucking bugs, bro. What the? Hey, but besides that, my nigga, this shit, oh. You know the vibe, bro. We got this nice ass rapid, bro. You should already know what the fuck about to go down, bro. Look at this nigga. Ain't that right? Nigga, these fucking bugs, dog. That's crazy. These fucking bugs, nigga. Oh shit, nigga, the wrong way. Niggas is going the wrong way, bro.
Nigga.
Oh!
Nigga.
Oh!
Nigga.
Oh!
What the fuck
Nigga, what the fuck you mean? What the fuck you mean? What the fuck I'm doing, nigga? Oh shit! Oh, we can hit the rock, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh!
Oh, fuck my ass.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Oh, nigga, that shit hurt. Oh, fuck.
Damn! Oh! Damn!
Hurt,
Shit did hurt, bro.
Shit hurt my tailbone.
Nigga, show him that stick, bro.
Look, my fucking stick, bitch.
Yeah, my nigga.
Bro, run up on me, bitch. What's up?
My niggas always keep that stick with them, nigga. What you thought the fuck, bro? Hey, but look at that view, bro. Shit.
I keep the stick on.
Come on, bro. What the fuck is you doing,
Nigga, what the
fuck is niggas doing, bro? Oh, shit. Niggas is selling out right now, bro. But you know the vibe, nigga. You already know. Can you push us, bro? Quit fucking trying to flex that stick, bro.
Nigga, how the fuck am I supposed to push that?
Nigga, with the stick, bro. You got a stick for a reason, bro.
Stupid ass to take out the paddles. I mean, this is the paddle.
Oh. You already know the vibe. Oh, I'm about to hit a rock. Oh! Damn! Damn, bro. Oh my god, nigga. Oh! 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 Damn! Oh shit. Damn, nigga. I gotta do that shit again, bro. That shit is way too cool. Focus. You should have seen that. Man, you do what I'm saying? The kid just hopped out the shower. And I ain't even finna cap it. It's cold as fuck. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that little vlog thing. I don't know how it's finna turn out, bro. I don't know if I got some like good quality type stuff or not, bro. I'm gonna just have to wait and find out. I hope it's good though. Shit, I'd be pretty mad if I did all that and didn't record that shit, nigga. Cause shit.